keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Welcome back, dear students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Today we are going to learn subject English, and today our topic is There is the Key of the Kingdom. This is a poem. In the poem, things are mentioned in two ways, from the biggest to smallest and from the smallest to the biggest. So let's start with the poem. There is the key of the kingdom. In that kingdom, there is a city. In that city, there is a town. In that town, there is a street. In that street, there is a lane. In that lane, there is a yard. In that yard, there is a house. In that house, there is a room. In that room, there is a bed. On that bed, there is a basket. In that basket, there are some flowers. Now here you can see the things are mentioned from biggest to the smallest. Kingdom is the biggest, and afterwards there is a city. In the city there is a town, and in the town there is a street, and in the street there is a lane, and in the lane there is a yard, then house, then room, bed, basket and flowers. So like this way the things are mentioned from the biggest to the smallest. Kingdom means a country that is ruled by a king or queen. Town means a place with many streets and buildings. Street means a road. Lane means a narrow road. Yard means an area. Here, things are arranged in a proper chains from the biggest to the smallest. Now let's see the other stanza of the poem. Flowers in the basket, basket on the bed, bed in the room, room in the house, house in the yard, yard in the lane, lane in the street, street in the town, town in the city, city in the kingdom, and this is the key of the kingdom. So here you can see the things are arranged from smallest to the biggest. Now here we can see the flowers are in the basket, and basket is on the bed, and bed is in the room, and room is in the house, and house is in the yard, and yard is situated in the lane, and lane is there in the street, and street is in the town, and town is in the city, and city is in the kingdom. And at the last there is the key of the kingdom. The poet takes us on a small journey from the biggest thing to the smallest, and the smallest to the biggest. He starts with the key to the kingdom and ends with the key to the kingdom. This is a fun poem and meant for children to read aloud and enjoy. Let's have a look on the meanings. Street, road, lane, a narrow road, yard, an area, town, a place with many streets and buildings. Kingdom, a country that is ruled by king or queen. Here are some questions for all of you. List all things mentioned in the poem in two ways. A. From the smallest to the biggest. B. From the biggest to the smallest. Answer for smallest to the biggest will be flowers, basket, bed, room, house, yard, lane, street, town, city, kingdom. Now, from the biggest to the smallest, kingdom, city, town, street, lane, yard, house, room, bed, basket, flowers. Question number 2. Put the following chains in the proper order. So you may start from the smallest or the biggest. For example, shirt, car, man, pocket, highway, pen. So how we can arrange this from smallest to biggest? We will start with pen, pocket, shirt, man, car, highway. So here we have mentioned the things from smallest to the biggest. If we start from biggest, so we can write highway, car, man, shirt, pocket, pen. Other chains also you can put in proper order. Now let's see question number 3. Read the instructions and write other words related to the given word. Kingdom. Write other words that begin with K. So here we can write other words that begin with K. For example, kite, king. And now second, city. List the occupation of people in a city. So here we can write the occupation of people who lives in city. For example, teacher, doctor, lawyer, engineer, etc. So students, likewise you can do the other questions also. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep learning new things every day. Enjoy your learning. Be happy. Take care.